I found these interesting pictures I had taken a while ago about unlocking a Chrysler 200 radio. Take a look at them. So here it is where we have to remove this trim that's here. And once we remove the trim, there'll be these four, I think they were probably T15 screws to get the radio out. And once you have the radio out, then you remove the base. You remove these tabs here and all the screws all the way around it. Okay. And we get all the screws out. You should be able to get to this piece, and you're going to take these screws out, and then you'll be able to lift up this logic board here. And then what we're going to do is unhook everything just like this. We're going to find our certain EEPROM. I don't remember what it was, probably a 95040 or 95320, something like that. Gonna scrape it clean because it has some pretty nasty conformal coating on it. In this case, I read it with a clip. I don't like to read them with clips. I usually like to take them off and put them on the adapter. But for some reason, I used the clip on this one, probably just because it's such a tight area. I figured I'd give it a try. Important thing to do when you're doing a clip is to make sure you read it, you verify it, then you take the clip off and you put the clip back on and read and verify again, or at least verify again. That way you can make sure you actually have a correct read. And after you have it read, you can go and edit the data that you need to edit. So if you're cloning one, or you're just, in this case, I was just, correcting the VIN that was wrong in there. And then after you edit your file, your memory, then you have to write it back. And if I remember correctly, this was probably about a year ago. If I remember correctly, I could not get it to write back with the clip. I couldn't get it to verify, so I ended up taking it off, like I should have done in the first place, to write it and verify it, so I had a nice clean file. There we go, writing, and then you put everything back. So you solder it back, you put it back, and when you go to put thing back together, you have to make sure that this area right here is right. If this tab is behind this, or if the tab that's behind it is in front of this, the face will not fit on there properly. And there you see the radio's working, face is on there right. I just have to put the trim piece, but that's it.